In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email autoresponder in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. Setting up an email autoresponder is a fantastic way to automate your communication and keep your audience engaged, even while you're busy working on other things. And when you're using Beehiiv, the setup process is simple and user-friendly, making it a breeze to get things rolling. To start, you'll first want to log into your Beehiiv account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create an account. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and you can manage your email lists, newsletters, and, of course, your autoresponders. Next, look for the option labeled Email Automation or Autoresponders in the menu. It might be on the sidebar or under a section titled Automation or Subscriber Management. Click on that. This is where you'll be able to set up and customize your autoresponder sequences. Now, you'll want to create a new autoresponder. Look for a button that says Create New Autoresponder or something similar. When you click on that, you'll typically be prompted to name your autoresponder. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify, like Welcome Series or Follow-up Campaign. This is especially useful if you plan to create multiple autoresponders in the future. Once you've named your autoresponder, it's time to define the triggering event. This is what will kick off the autoresponder sequence. For example, you might want to send a welcome email as soon as someone subscribes to your mailing list. Select Subscriber Joins List or whatever trigger makes the most sense for your campaign. After you've set up your trigger, you can start crafting the actual emails you want to send out. Click on Add Email or similar to get started. Here, you'll have an editor where you can write out your email content. Make it personal, engaging, and beneficial for your subscribers. Remember, the goal is to provide value, whether that's sharing insights, resources, or exclusive content that resonates with your audience. As you're composing your message, pay attention to the subject line. A good subject line is crucial as it determines whether your recipient will open the email. Keep it clear and enticing. For instance, instead of "Welcome to our newsletter," you might say, "Here's your exclusive welcome gift." This makes the recipient feel special and encourages them to engage right away. Once your content is ready, it's time to set up the timing for the email. Decide how long after the trigger event you'd like the email to go out. Beehiiv usually allows you to specify this in hours or days. For a welcome email, sending it immediately or within a few hours often works best. After you've configured your first email, you can continue to add more emails to the autoresponder sequence if you wish. Just repeat the same process for each subsequent email, crafting the content, setting the subject line, and specifying the delay after the previous email. Now, once you've put together all your emails, give everything a thorough review. Check for typos, ensure that your links work, and make sure your tone is consistent throughout the sequence. You might want to send yourself a test email to see how it looks in your inbox. This is an important step because it allows you to catch any mistakes before your subscribers see it. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, don't forget to activate your autoresponder. There should be an option to turn it live or save it to be activated later. Make sure you toggle this setting to ensure your audience starts receiving those emails. And that's it. You've successfully set up an email autoresponder in Beehiiv. This automation tool will not only save you time, but also help you build better relationships with your subscribers through consistent